Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we're looking at the T helper cells. So the T helper cells, we are focusing on the types as well as the functions. So to begin with, first we are looking at the T helper cell 1. T helper cell 1. So as per the T helper cell 1, the major cytokines are the IFN, gamma. So then the cytokines that induce a subset. So the cytokines which induce the subset. So this involves the IFN gamma as well as the IL-1-2. Next, we look at the immunological reactions triggered. Immunological reactions triggered. This involves a macrophage activation. Then comes the stimulation. The stimulation of the IgE. There is IgE antibody production, and now we will look at the host against defenses. There is host defense. This will be against the intracellular microbes. The intracellular microbes. Next is what is its role in the disease. There is autoimmune or the chronic inflammatory diseases. Autoimmune or the chronic inflammatory diseases, so such as the IBD. There can be psoriasis as well as the granulomatous inflammation. Next, we look at the T helper 2. So in terms of T helper 2, the major cytokines. The major cytokines, it involves the IL-4. There is IL-5 as well as the IL-13. So IL-4 is there, IL-5 is there, as well as IL-13. So what are the cytokines that induce a subset? The cytokines inducing the subset. So then involves the IL-4. So the major cytokines produced is nothing but the IL-4, IL-5, IL-13. Then the cytokines which induce the subset is IL-4. So immunological reactions which are triggered. What does this involve? This involves the stimulation of IgE production. Then comes the activation of the mast cells, and the eosinophils. So the activation of the mast cells and the eosinophils. Next, we look at the host defense against. The host defense is against the helminthic parasites. So host defense is against the helminthic parasites. Role in diseases. Role in diseases are nothing but presence of allergies. Next is, it involves the T helper 17. So T helper 17, the major cytokines produced are IL-17 as well as IL-22. So what is the cytokine that induces the subset? So cytokines which induce subset are, it involves the TGF beta, IL-6, IL-1 as well as the IL-23. Next is, what are the immunological reactions? This is triggered. Immunological reactions triggered. This involves the recruitment of the neutrophils as well as the monocytes. Recruitment of the neutrophils and the monocytes. Next is the host defense against. Host defense against is especially the bacteria and the fungi. Next is, what is the role in a disease? The role in diseases, it includes the autoimmune and other chronic inflammatory diseases. So this includes the BID, the psoriasis as well as the MS.